Hey, this is Brock Patterson, Reddick Brown Ford National Specialty Vehicle Manager, the #1 Ford Performance and Specialty Vehicle dealership. It's 2 days after Valentine's Day, and boy, do I have a sweetheart deal for you. Listen, so if you follow us on some of our other channels, Instagram in particular, be sure to follow us there at Reddick Brown Ford and at Brock Patterson. You can check out Braxton at BRRXTN. We share a lot of content. It's up to date. It's daily content, changes in our marketplace, new incentives, you name it, it's gonna be live there. But if you found out that we're having a 30% off sale here at Reddick Brown Ford, there's certain products, closeout deals on 2023 inventory simply because there's an oversupply and we want to be the first one to party. Now, this is what we've got left. Okay, so we've got 3 of the 2023 Fox Factory FTX F-150 trucks. We've got Area 51, beautiful new color released. It's got a little bit of gray, blue, beautiful tone to it. Atlas blue here, it's our royal blue, one of the hottest take colors that we've got out in the market, and arguably best color that we have in the performance and aftermarket world, that is agate black. These are FTX F-150 trucks, a beautiful Fox Factory lifted truck that's going to have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine variant on an XLT chassis. Now, 30% off MSR pricing, and here's what I'm going to show you. So the F-150, this is a 2023 4x4 platform, 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost. Now what we're gonna get, it's an XLT 302A equipment group. It's gonna have a lot of optional equipment added, including our power sliding window, trailer tow package, trailer brake controller. It's gonna also have our extended 36-gallon fuel tank. It's also gonna have our XLT Sport Appearance package. This is just to name a few components that you're gonna see on the chassis. So donor chassis, window sticker, listen, $65,435. $65,435 for the MSRP on this truck. Now, the MSRP of the conversion with the FTX package, which I'm gonna share you, is $94,389. So the FTX truck was originally brought to you by Tuscany Motor Company out of Elkhart, Indiana. It was acquired by Fox Factory a few years ago, and Fox Factory continues to dial it up with their production of the FTX truck. Listen, it's been a beautiful paint to match lifted truck that we've sold for years and years. Now, you are going to be the benefactor of an oversupply out in the marketplace. Some of you may or may not know the auto industry is a little slow right now. Traditionally, February, our winter months, are slower. Now, we're not one that's going to be slow to adjust our pricing, just like we were never, ever once to adjust our pricing up when the market got short. That's right, not one time did I ever sell over MSRP, not 1 cent over MSRP. Not during the pandemic, not on the special vehicles, limited production, you name it. We did things the right way, and here we are offering up something that is an insane value. You're gonna have a custom paint to match FTX hood. You're gonna have a redesigned and custom painted front grille. Beautiful setup, bumper cover painted to match, all high quality paint to match parts here. That Area 51, rich color. Fender flares that are gonna also be painted to match on all 4 corners. So if it's Atlas blue, if it's agate black, if it's Area 51, everything paint to match. There are 2 different wheel styles. You've got this fuel 20-inch black high gloss wheel. You've also got our 20-inch chrome wheel, beautiful setup. So 2 different wheels, 3 different trucks. Now you're gonna have a BDS suspension lift on it and Fox shock upgrade. Again, BDS owned by Fox Factory, leader in the clubhouse, aftermarket parts. Now, you're gonna have your badges here from FTX painted to match. You're gonna have power running boards, your door cladding with your FTX logo. You're gonna have a upgraded exhaust system. You're also going to have a painted to match tonneau cover, carpet lined on the inside. Seriously, you're going to get a lot of value in an FTX lifted truck for the low price of $66,072. Not too much more than the original MSRP. That's before your state tax and registration. We have a dealer fee, no other charges. We're not going to require you to buy a warranty or finance with us. If you want to pay cash, no trade, get you a killer deal here at Reddick Brown Ford, that's fine. Take advantage of oversupply in the marketplace. So you're going to get a high quality pickup truck from Ford Motor Company at a very, very low entry price. Basically, you're going to get this FTX package for a couple of $100s. Now, all Ford special financing incentives apply right now. So that means if Ford Credit is offering a 1.9% APR for 72-month rate, you're going to qualify for that. You're still going to get our discount. Plus, you're going to get that special financing rate. There's not a better deal in the marketplace right now. We had this special, our 30% off sale. It's the one and only 30% off sale at Reddick Brown Ford. We started that in January. We had 12 vehicles that were on promo. We're down to our last 3. Now's the time to score big. Now, I'll tell you, as we get closer into the 2024 model year, let me tell you, I'm about to give you what I think is going to happen on the 2024 inventory from a lot of our conversion companies, both on the FTX, the Roush product, the Shelby product, you name it, we're going to be out there. I think we're going to see some changes in 2024. We're going to be happy to get that to you quickly. We're going to have some early bird specials in 2024 for our repeat clients and our clients that also want to reserve product ahead of time, some great early bird promos. Listen, there's no place better, I'll tell you. The experience that you'll have at Reddick Brown Ford, I'll show you right here.
Best experience that I've had purchasing a vehicle, period. First off, no, I cannot believe it. This is an incredible deal. Unbelievable price on this. The experience was very easy. Came down, I was in and out in a half an hour, and we're on our way. It was very, very seamless.
Flabbergasted for one. I didn't believe it. I've been searching for a vehicle for a month now, looking from Illinois down to Louisiana, and I found nothing remotely close to what y'all offered over here. Really easy experience. You were a man of your word. Everything you told me, that's what we made a deal with. Really great experience overall.
Oh, that was awesome, man. As you can see, you got a beautiful truck. You guys helped me out, picking me up for the airport. Best experience so far, finding a new car.
Listen, we create an experience like no other here at Reddick Brown Ford. 24/7, ReddickBrownFord.com. You've just seen our customer testimonials. Here's a few sample of our customer reviews. So if you're outside of our market area, I've worked with a shipper. We ship a lot of vehicles all over the country. We can send it directly to your house or your place of business. We can help get you a shipping quote to ship directly to you. All of the paperwork can be done through UPS with a prepaid return envelope. If you finance, a lot of those documents can be done electronically. We'll make the transaction with us, the process smooth, easy, pain-free. We want your experience to be one of those that you say, this is the best car buying experience we've ever had. We care about our clients. We care about you. Come check us out, Reddick Brown Ford, Morrison, Tennessee, America's #1 Ford performance and specialty vehicle dealership.